Today again, I have brought a new earning app here. We can take payment through PayPal. The link to download the app is in the video description. We need to create an account. Use your nickname and upload a picture of yourself. And I give 100% guarantee that you will get paid from here. I have received numerous payments from here. The first thing you need to do is to click on the reward option. Then you have to enter an invitation code. Then you will get $1 free instantly. Click here to claim daily bonus and get $1 free on second day. Above you can see a box. Click on the box and from here reward will be our income. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now we will click on redeem option, so we will take $1 free. Here you have to use a referral code you can see in the video description. One such referral code using which you will win $1 instantly. Click on redeem reward and you will get $1 I got free immediately. I will show you how to withdraw via PayPal or recharge later. You can see how to take payment if the minimum is 10 cents. Here, you can exchange coins if you have minimum 1,000 coins. Below you can see 3 more earning options. And here, you can claim 10 cents 24 hours when your account expires and you can take payment. And you can earn coins here by watching videos like YouTube. And you can also upload videos here. You will get these reward boxes if you make more referrals, and you can win up to $10. We are the first to share the news of this app on Telegram. We have a Telegram channel. Please subscribe to the video description. Click on open order and uncheck all the remaining boxes. My account is 2 days old now. I will claim $1 daily check-in, and thus we will continue to get some kind of reward every day for using the app. If you make referrals, you should now see how you will collect the referrals. First click on contact icon, then click on notification option. After that you click on team option, then you have to click on all claim option. Then all will climb together. There are many more ways to earn coins dollars here. You can play games here. There are many interesting games that you can play charging coins. The referrals that we made as clients have been deposited here. Now we have to break these boxes. We will get rewards from here only if we break the boxes. And the interesting thing is that you can win Amazon gifts here, but till date no one has won here. Have never been able to win. If you are lucky you can. Referral, we are going to earn $1 now, or less or more if the headline is good. I got a ticket for $1 now. There is no telling how much will come, and here you can see a few more boxes that you can fill by referral. Please pray that I can get $1 from here. It's $1 a ticket, and you see there are tickets to earn up to $10. I can't open any box, baby. Okay, open this one and see if there's $1. I got it. If I had selected that, I wouldn't have got it. Look, I'm lucky I won $1 from here. I wish I clicked the other one, but I wouldn't have won $1. That's my luck. Here, you can spin. I spin to see if I can earn some dollars, and coins can be earned from here. You do them to make a video, but it takes a lot of hard work. You must like and comment and subscribe to the channel. I got 30 cents from here. If you want to do more spin, you can get a spinner on the right side. Click here how much you can earn and earn dollars by clicking here. My account is 24 hours old now. I will claim 10 cents and withdraw it through PayPal and show you directly. You click 10 cents. And now we have to give PayPal email. Then your PayPal account asks to log in here. Log in to the account. Again here, it says to give Google authentication code. Add the Google authentication code of your PayPal account. See my payment withdrawal confirmed. Sorry, added the account now again. We will click on that for 10 seconds. And now we will click on confirm. Our payment has gone to pending 24 hours, or after 48 hours, we will receive the payment. From here, you can take any amount payment that is offered, and you can recharge your number and also take internet plan. And here they are giving some discounts. If you buy them, you can earn dollars at a lower price, which means less coins. Today's video, I am ending the video by inviting you to watch the new video so far. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.